Hi, I'm Dan. I like to fix things. When it's time to repair drywall or install new drywall, you're going to need a few things to drive the screws properly. You're going to need a drill, a tip, and a drywall screw. I use an 1.5 inch screw. It penetrates the 1/2 inch drywall, goes 1 inch into the wood, gives me a nice strong bond. And the tip I use is a drywall setting tip. It has a collar around the Phillips bit that prevents me from going too deep and tearing the paper. Most of the strength that you get from securing the drywall to the stud comes from that paper. You always line the drill up nice and straight, not high or low, not left or right. And with this tip, it should sink it perfectly every time. Now that you've seen the right way to use drywall screws, let's take a look at some wrong ways that could get you into trouble. You can use a regular bit, and it's possible to do a good job. It's just more difficult. But the things you can do wrong, if you don't drive the screw in straight, it penetrates, it goes right through. It can go all the way through the sheetrock. Once it penetrates that paper, you no longer have a strong grip on the wall. That's not a good thing. Make sure it goes in straight. If it goes in crooked and doesn't penetrate the paper, it's still going to be sticking out. That's not going to work either. Then you have to drive it in so far that it will penetrate the paper. It's still not a strong bond. If you don't drive the screw deep enough, when you try to put the joint compound on, you're going to see the screw right through it. That's not going to work. You can always take a regular screwdriver and just tighten it up. So that's at least fixable, but it's just extra work. The best way to do it is to use the drywall set screw, and that's going to eliminate most of your problems, and you'll get a good outcome. Thanks for watching the video. I'm Dan. I like to fix things.